This is Shiv Pratap Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write your first CPP program using class implementation. So let's start it. Open your IDE, go to File, Open, and here we have to specify our file name. Like I can name it shiv.cpp, or I can give it my friend's name damage.cpp, or whatever I want, like tutorial.cpp. The one thing you must know that we cannot use a special type of character and symbols in the name. So let's start. So first of all, we are gonna write a C++ program which will add two numbers, addition of two number. So for that purpose we have in this program we are going use to some basic input and output functions. So for that purpose we have to include some files in our program. uh, we will use preprocessor directives. The hash include is the preprocessor directives, and iostream.h is the file which we have to include, and another file we have to include which is conio.h. Okay, so now we are going to declare our class. What is class? Basically class is a container which holds data member and member functions together in a single unit. And what we have to do, we have a challenge that we have to access our class from outside of it. Okay, so let's declare a class. Now here I have to specify class name. What I can give it whatever I want, like this, or I can give Shiv, Kamesh, whatever I so in this I'm gonna name it my first class. Okay, so now we have to declare some data members. So int stand for integer, int value 1, value 2, sum. So in CPP by default there is a concept of SS specifier. If in our program we are not describing anything in before data member and member functions, so by default in C++ it is considered as private. So our data members are private, and now I am going to, it's a concept of inheritance. Now I am going to declare a member function public, cause I'm making it public cause I have to access it from the our main function. So if I'm gonna make it protected or private, I cannot access its data member class, the data member and member function of the class from outside the world, like outside of class. So I must have to make it public. I'm gonna name it input function. Okay, so now I'm going to take input. These are the input function. This is it. This is the input function for which I have included iostream.h. If I am not including in our program iostream.h, I cannot use this function. Okay, value 1, value 2, Okay, now I'm going to make another function which is output function, which will show the addition of numbers. So here is the logic of addition: sum, assignment operator, value 1 plus value 2. Okay, now I'm gonna use output function which is cout sum. Okay, body ints here of function and class ints here. Now I'm gonna make a main function, and we have to access our class from this main function. So for it we have to specify here our class, my first class, and whatever I will write in front of it, it will become the object of that class. So in this I'm gonna write it obj. Okay, so obj is the object of that class, which it will help us to access our class. Without it we cannot access our class. Dot input function obj dot output function and get ch. So let's run the program. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's co-neo. There is some typing mistakes. My first class, okay, is my these are typing mistakes. Okay, now it is gonna run. Basically now it is asking for the input like 23 plus 12, 35. So it is our first CPP program of addition of two numbers using class implementation. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much. One thing more, if you want to run it again and again, then you have to use a clear screen to erase your previous output, like 3. That was okay. I'm gonna make it long, then okay. It is too big. Let's see.